Hey guys! So, I do not know what to do for video lately, and today's my lazy day. Today's Friday, don't have to do anything, no driver's ed, no nothing. So, my plan is to go outside because it is raining hardcore out there right now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So, yeah. Hey! Oh my god. This is my dog Wilma, and I'm walking. Come on, Wilma! Come on! So this is like my backyard, and I have like 20 acres, and a fire pit, a pool, and a hot tub, and all that nice stuff. I'm fortunate and I get all that. It's raining. So this is my big ass garden. We do a lot of nature stuff in there. And my mom likes to do compost and all that great stuff. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We just got done building a barn. And there's my dog Jake. Oh, Jake. Hi. Walking to some of our property, and this right here is our crappy treehouse. It's pretty great.
I don't think I've been this nervous with the cold drink in my 2 hands, saying no thanks. Like any way it goes, cause I know things they shouldn't have told me. Now I'm thinking what for? Hanging by a sentence at the drugstore, barely even steady out the front door. Hate my own shit, but I love yours. Fuck, I really love yours. 7 in the afternoon, half asleep, count the cars.
I brought one of my friends here one time. Her name was Devin. And my brothers were here and my cousin was, and we decided to go up into the treehouse. The next thing we know, my cousin takes the ladder down. And it's kind of far. Not too far, you can jump, but we were kind of scared too because there's nails and planks of wood all around, so we kind of just got into this big argument with my cousin and my brothers, and they brought out a hose and they were spraying us from down below, and so I decided to dump a bucket of water that was up there on them. So, that's true.
Found myself waking in the same clothes, shaking from my temple to my ankles. Sunny, but I need another raincoat. Waiting by a payphone, finally I coughed up some awful information that I thought of. Well, they think I've been messing with the wrong stuff. Nah, I've been messing with the right shit. Yeah, I fucking like it. Waiting for the call to come. Who could say it was easy? Sad about the bad I've done on my grave. Please believe me.
So I went down that path, and there's just this big tractor that's not mine, so I can't really go over there, unfortunately. For some reason, it's really pretty to me. I think that's our next, next year that might be our Christmas tree. Let's go. Boop, boop. Ugh. Okay. These are nice. really like this tree. Look it curves. What? Nature is great. It's like a maze of nature. This is death of nature. So, comment below if I should do some more vlogs and if I should take you guys places, because I actually really enjoy this. I think it's calming and it's nice, and maybe you guys want to see what I do out here. So yeah, it's all good. Jake. So just let me know if I should do vlogs. I am most likely going to go to the coast, and if that happens, then I will take you guys with me. So, going to the coast would be a cool one. I'll take you places and things. So yeah. Love you guys. Got my nails done. Love you guys. Comment ideas and stuff like that. Yeah, let me know. Bye.